Welcome to What's in My Bag. This is an ongoing series where I'm going to highlight and showcase the things I carry in my bag. We're going to spend a little time on them. What's in my bag? An insulated cup. Not just any insulated cup. An insulated cup where I get stickers from each place I go, and it kind of becomes a little souvenir. I love this one by Contigo because of this right here. This allows me to hook it on to just about anything. Something else I like is this lock. This is not going to just open once I have it locked. Once I turn this little button here, it's not going to open. So if I'm digging around in my bag and I accidentally hit this, it's not going to pop open and possibly spill. Something else I really like about it is the spout, the sipping straw, is closed. And so when I'm carrying it around, the part where I put my mouth is not actually exposed. I love that part. Some use cases for an insulated cup, because I don't take these on every flight. Domestic flights, short flights, even some international flights, I don't take this. I sometimes will purchase water at the airport once I go through security, and then I just refill that bottle and reuse that bottle. The best use case for a bottle like this is when you go to an all-inclusive resort. And the drinks are free and included in your stay. They bring you little tiny cups, they're little plastic cups with your cocktail or your soda, and the ice melts really fast because most all-inclusives are found in warm climate areas. So having a cup like this, they love these. The people, the bartenders and the servers, they love when you bring these because they can make you one drink that will last you for an hour, at least an hour, sometimes half a day. And so they're only making 1 or 2 drinks a day as opposed to making multiple drinks because the ice melts or because they just don't hold a lot. So an insulated cup with a locking lid and a covered straw. Don't forget to throw in a packet of electrolytes and keep that in there when you go through security. Then after you go through security, empty your electrolyte packet in there, fill this with water, and drink this on the plane prior to your flight. Insulated cup, put it in your bag.
We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.